Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? So today we are going to discuss bugs priority and severity. So I feel there is a lot of confusion in the market, and I have seen a lot of YouTube videos and a lot of documentation where I felt it's not correctly defined, like the priority and severity. So today I will try to explain it with some examples. First, we'll see like where is the confusion, and then we'll see what is the correct way to define bugs priority and severity. So let me share my screen. Okay. So we'll go to this site, guru99.com, where bugs priority and severity is defined. So priority is saying it's the order in which developers should resolve a defect, whereas severity is the degree of impact the defect has on the product or the product. So it's a bit confusing, right? Let's see, like for example, it says priority is driven by business, where severity is driven by functionality. Priority is driven by business value, while severity is driven by functionality. For example, they have created one this kind of matrix. There are 4 quadrants, and here this is company logo. It's not severe, it's not critical. Company logo is of the wrong color, but priority is urgent. So that means, as per this, like when you are reporting a bug, it means you have to select severity is low and priority is very urgent, something like that. All right, but that doesn't make much sense, because when we are reporting bug, what I have seen, like nobody selects both actually. Either you select priority or severity based on whether you are internal team or external team. I will give some examples. So here, company logo is having wrong color. It's a severe issue. It's a big issue actually. It's a high priority thing. So what is the real definition of priority and severity? Let's see. So we'll go to this website. We'll go to eclipse.com, and there we have. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, eclipse.com, Eclipse website. Okay, so eclipse.org. Here, let's see what is the definition. Here it says, severity is assigned by a user and describes the level of impact bug is having on them. Right? Severity is assigned by the user. So user feel it's a severe to them actually. And so severity is set by the originator and should accurately reflect the impact the bug has on the originator. So you are user of the product, you think it's a severe, and priority is decided by the project lead, development team, or the company stuff. Like priority is set by the project lead or the bug assignee. Okay, so I will give one example. Suppose you have a product and you release it to like different markets like Indonesia, Japan, and US. Okay, and Indonesian users or your Indonesian team, they tested it, and they found like some lot of things are wrong, like in the Indonesian language it's not correct, and maybe the text is coming out. So it's severe for them. So they will say it's a severe bug. Okay, or maybe when you are typing some Indonesian language, it's crashed. It's a severe for them. It's a blocker kind of thing. It's severe. So they will make it a blocker. Severity is blocker. Now, when it comes to the company, like company internal lead or manager, they will decide the priority. So let's say that product has a very less market or a small market in Indonesia, but they have a very big market in US, Japan. So currently they want to focus on US or Japan market. So it may not be high priority for them. Like because they are like 98% users, maybe from 90% users from maybe US, and maybe 9% from maybe Japan, and only maybe 1% or less than that maybe from Indonesia. So they may, based on the priority, like maybe there are more critical bugs that they are like in that US domain, and they want to address that faster, right? So that's a high priority thing. For Indonesian user, it's of high priority, means high severity, but for the internal team. So that's what, like it says severity. Severity is set by the originator and should accurately reflect the impact bug has on the originator. severity is assigned by the user and describe the level of impact the bug is having on them, right? So this Indonesian team is testing, or the normal user who are using the product. They open the app or they use the product and they found the issue, they reported the bug. They in the complaint section they reported the bug and it created a ticket, right? So they will select the severity because it describes the level of impact bug is having on them. It can be blocker, critical, major, etc. But when it comes to the internal team, they will select the priority, right? They will select priority P1, P2, P3. So, like for example, we set the priority. We are aligned with the development team. We are aligned with our company team, right? But if we are external testers or we are testers, like big company may have testers from different regions, right? But company management will decide which are like, or team will decide which is a high priority. Or so severity is from the originator or user, and priority is decided by the project lead or bugs assigned. So that's why, like, if you look at this thing, like it's a bit confusing the way it's explained in other places. Okay. Okay, so I hope it's clear. And if you like the video, please like it, subscribe it, and don't forget to join the channel. It's there in the comments below in the YouTube comment section. It's been there, Telegram group channel. So you join there and you will get more such videos. Okay. And so that's it for today. This is until we meet again. This is Abhijit signing off.